So the pond's super dirty today. Yeah, the work on the waterfall has really dirtied it up. But today I'm working on that some more. But all our irises are starting to die. But a big old frog right there. We got our water lilies. They're gonna open today. So it's gonna be a good day. We're gonna get some work done. And hopefully we're gonna have a liner all over that. At least plumbing. So yeah, we're gonna try and get this cleaned up. I think the bins with the water lilies, they need some more gravel to control all the dirt that's in there too. Anyways, we're getting there. Oh, it looks like there's a water lily right there. There's the flower in the middle, poking out. Have a good day.